Hello everyone, welcome to another math online lesson. Now our lesson for today is about measurements. Converting measurements from one unit to another using the metric systems. Now, how do we convert from one unit to another? Now there's an easy way in solving or converting one unit to another. That is, if you know the story of King Henry. Now, I'll be telling you a story about a king. His name is King Henry. He died unexpectedly while drinking the chocolate milk. Now, I want you to remember and memorize this story. King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk. Why? Because this is very helpful in converting one unit to another without using your calculator. Okay? Now, K here for king stands for kilo, H for Henry stands for hecto, died or D for died stands for deca, U for unexpectedly stands for the unit or the standard unit of measurement, D for drinking stands for deci, C for chocolate stands for centi, and M for milk stands for milli. Now, we have three measurements. We have the length and distance, we have the weight, and we have the volume. Now, in length and distance, the standard unit is meter. Okay? Take note of that. I want you to remember this one. The standard unit of measurement for distance or length is in meter. And for the weight, it's in grams. And for the volume, it's liter. Okay, now observe the location of the units of measure with respect to the number of units here. I mean the number of, yeah, units here. So the unit of measure is in between here, right? So you have three um, units here and also below. Now this is very important. Again, please remember this one. K, H, D, U, D, C, M. This is very helpful. Or if you can't remember the letters, just remember that King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk. Okay, now let's put this into test. See if we could convert a unit to another using this one. Okay, so just remember kilo, hecto, deca, the standard unit, deci, centi, and milli. Okay, so let's start. So here is our um, guide. King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk. Kilo, hecto, deca, the standard unit of measure, deci, centi, milli. Okay, now let's have this. I want to convert my 3 grams to, let's say I want to convert this one, oh, sorry. Let's say I want to convert that one into kilogram. I want to convert this one into kilogram. So here, so my 3 grams, then I will going to locate the location for my gram. Gram is the standard unit, so it's here, right? It's under letter U. Then I want to transform or convert this one into kilogram. Okay, so I will going to, so just 3, and then I want to, wait, that's too small. Let me erase it. Okay, now 3 in kilogram, I mean in gram, the decimal place of this one is after the number, right? So the decimal point is here. That's 3 grams. Now I want to go to kilogram, so I'll transfer my decimal point going to the direction of kilogram, which is going to the left. So from my decimal point here, I will go 1, 2, 3. This is my new decimal point now because I'm moving 1, 2, 3 times from my original position going to the kilogram. And then what happened here is I'll just add zeros on my empty space. So 3 grams in kilogram is 0.003 kilogram. Okay, so it's a matter of moving your decimal point from one place to another based on what is being asked. So for example, I want to convert 3 grams into milligram. Milligram. Okay, so 3 grams convert to milligram. Again, just write this one. Now this time, from here, still gram is our standard unit of measure. So it's in between. I want to convert this one into milligram. Okay? So I'll just move how many places? 1, 2, 3. So from my decimal point here, I'll move 1, 2, 3. So I have, all I need to do is to add zeros on my empty space. So my 3 grams is equivalent to 3,000 milligram. Okay? Let's have another example. Now, here, 1.1 decimeter, I want to convert this one into millimeter. Okay, now, so again, write the number 1.1. Now, decimeter, so let's locate this one. It's this one. This is deca, this is deci, right? So this is decimeter. I want to convert this one to this one, millimeter. So I'll move my decimal place 1, 2 times. So from here, that's 1, 2. So my empty space, I'll just add 0 here. So 1.1 decimeter is equal to 110 millimeter. Please do not forget the unit of measure after you convert the given measurement. Okay, this is very important because if you will not write this one, we don't know what kind of measurement is that. Okay, okay, so again, I want to convert my 1.1 decimeter to hectometer. Hectometer. Okay, so again, I want to write my original value, that's 1.1, and then locate here in my guide. Decimeter is here, and then I want to convert it to here, hecto. So from my decimal point, I will going to move 1, 2, 3 decimal place. So from here, I'll move 1, 2, 3, and my decimal place is here. And then I'll just add zeros. Okay? So 1.1 decimeter is equal to 0.0011. Okay, remember the decimal is moved here. So the 0.0011, the unit of measure is now, oh sorry, that's hecto. That is hectometer. Okay, next, I have here 0.25 milliliter. Okay, milliliter. So it's here. So I'll want to convert this one into kiloliter. So how will I convert this one? Milliliter. So it's here, right? So I'll just write 0.25. Okay. So from here, my starting point is here because this is milli, and then I want to convert to kilo, so I'll go to the left. How many place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll move my decimal place 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my new decimal place, so I'll just add zeros here on the empty space. So this is my kilo liter. Okay? So it is very important that you remember this one, how King Henry died. Next, 25 liter to liter to centiliter. I want to convert this one into centiliter. Okay, so I'll just write my 25 here. Again, if it's a whole number, the decimal is after the number. It's here, right? So, liter, this is the standard unit, so it's in between. And then I want to convert into centiliter here. So, I'll move from here 1, 2 decimal place. So, my decimal place is here. I want to move 1, 2. So, I'll just add 2 zeros. So, this is now centiliter. So, 25 liter is equal to 2,500 centiliter. Next example, 100 meter. I want to convert this one into DC. DC meter. Okay? I want to convert this one to DC meter. So I'll just write 100 here. So meter is the standard unit, so it's in between, right? And then I want to convert this one from here to here. So only one place, right? Now, the decimal place is here, so it's after the number. So I'll just move one decimal place here, and then just add 0. So 1,000 meter is, 100 meter is equal to 1,000 DC meter. So how about if I'll convert 100 meter to kilometer? Again, I'll write my 100 here. And then at the center, because this is the standard unit, so it's in between, I want to convert this one to kilo. So I'll move my decimal to the left, 1, 2, 3. So my decimal place is here. I'll move 1, 2, 3. So my new decimal place is here. Therefore, 100 meter is equal to 1, oh, I mean, point 0.1 kilometer or 0.1. Again, it's very important that you need the new unit of measure after converting the previous measurement. Okay, so I hope you learned something today. Again, please remember how King Henry died for you to convert a certain measurement the easy way without using your calculator. See you in my next online video.